Here we are with the Titan on-car brake flaring tool so you can flare your brake line ends on your car. We start by loosening these clamping bolts here. You may need a 10mm wrench. I'm using a 10mm socket just to speed up this part of the operation. You loosen those two bolts so you can separate the clamping die. You can see it opens here. Take your brake line and insert it so that it falls where this line is. Then again, finger tighten the two pieces. You want to make sure you try to get even pressure top and bottom. A little too tight. Take your positioning bolt, insert it here. Tighten it only finger tight. That's to push against, make sure these line up. Take your wrench. Tighten the clamping block again with even pressure. Try to keep that even. And make sure it's nice and firm so the brake line doesn't slip. And before you put your brake line in, you want to make sure you have your fitting, or you won't be able to get it on the coil. Take the positioning end out. Use OP1, little grease, make it do its work a little smoothly. Tighten it till it just stops on the block. Loosen it. Flip the end over. Get a little more grease. The pointy end this time. Loosen it after it bottoms out. Separate the two pieces. And then you can see your nice clean double flare ready to go on your car. Just slide up the fitting,